Hello, these are our March Gems litter. We've got three little fluff balls. You can see Louis right there coming out of the Pepsi box, and next to him is Tiger. Tiger's wanting to sleep, but we'll wake him up here in a second and get him active so you guys can see him. And on the bed over here we have Amber. They're 10.5 weeks old right now. And I guess we'll start with Amber. Amber is a blue cream kitten. And then, both of our other ones are black with white. We've got Louis there chasing the light around, and then Tiger Eye is the one trying to sleep there. Okay, the light's got his attention now though. So these guys have definitely gotten active in the last couple of weeks and are getting pretty good size. They're just...
Tiger.
Huh?
I'm trying to get him out of the bed.
Oh. But they're just big fluff balls of fur and tons of energy right now. Let's see. Out of these guys, the only guy who's still looking for a forever home is Tiger. Our lazy one at the moment, but he's not normally. He's just been active this evening and is getting close to bedtime. But Tiger is usually, and he'll get up here in a second, but very adventurous one. Likes to explore and wander around the house, and all three of them follow us around and want plenty of loving. Louis is, at least at the moment, is probably the one who comes and sits on your lap the most. And there's Mommy wanting to get in the action too. That's Rainbow. She's also a blue cream tortie, just like her daughter Amber. Okay, let me see if we can get Tiger a little more motivated here. If I can stand right in front of the light so no one can see anything. There we go. Now you got it, Tiger. Whoa. Now you're moving too fast. I can't keep up with you.
We ran head first.
Ta!
You got it, Tiger.
Yeah. But now these are, again, our March gems, and they're definitely all their own precious little gems. They go to the vet again tomorrow to get their second round of shots, so I'm sure they'll all enjoy getting prodded and poked, and probably sleep a lot tomorrow after they come home. So we'll wear them out now. But they're all litter box trained and have been for a while. You can see they teaching them to use the scratching post, and we've got all different types. We've got a carpet one there, you got the fiber here, and there's some rope ones over there, as well as in the other room. I missed that. Flopping over there, Rainbow. The light's about the only thing that gets Rainbow real active. She's not nearly as active as some of our other.
She's not as young as our others either.
Well, she's not.
She's a little more.
She's about 3 years old.
She's a little more mature. Mama, what's your problem?
But and these guys have started really becoming part of the family. They figured out the doggy door and our bedroom door, so they come in at night and sleep in the room, and at times decide to pounce on us and attack us in the middle of the night. It can be fun. They'll grow out of that as they get older, though. Okay, Rainbow gonna squeeze herself underneath the dresser. But okay, I can't see him back there behind the pole.
Okay, come on. Come on.
Sorry about the little lighting. Our lighting back here is not the best, especially at night. But I think everybody can see and that's what's important. Amber's hiding. I think he got his claw stuck. There it goes. Okay, you guys are just sitting there behind the poles.
Come on, Amber.
Here goes Louie. There. Yeah. Ooh. I guess again, and we'll sign off here in just a minute, but this is our spring gems litter, and Rainbow here's the mom, Bingley, who is not ours, but he's the father. And you can see his picture on the web page. But then we had 3 beautiful babies in this bunch, and 2 boys are the black ones here. They're both black and white. And we got Tiger Eyes. He's got a little more white in him. And then we've got Lewis, who is almost solid black, and his white mitts. And then we got our little girl, Amber over there, who is a blue and cream tortie. So they're 10.5 weeks old, so in just over 5 weeks they'll be ready to go to their forever homes. And I know well, into this group we've got one very excited owner ready to receive Lewis, and
we're keeping
Amber we're going to keep. She'll be a future queen. And then Tiger Eye, hopefully here in the next week or two, we'll find him his forever home. He's a wonderful little boy. He Meets me every morning when we get up. So, alright, well, as I said, they're 10.5 weeks old. We'll do another video in a week or so, and we'll see you then. Bye.